Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm back with a Python program, and today we are printing another pattern. This time we are printing this triangular shape pattern. Like we have to print these stars in order to make a triangle like this. So how we're gonna print this? First we have to analyze how this pattern is working. So you can see that these are the triangular. Okay, so in the first line we have only one, in the second line we have only two, in the third we have three, then four, five, and we proceed till the end. And in the last line we have approximately 12 stars in this here. So we have to print this kind of how we're gonna print this, how we're gonna implement this program. Let's see. But before that, please subscribe to our channel, and if you want more kind of things in the same video, please comment on it and share it with your friends. So the first thing first, what I'm gonna do, I have to take the input from the user. We'll enter the number of lines. So I've taken the input from the user in order to take the number of lines. And next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just implement the for loop. And I'm gonna for loop. So I've implemented the for loop and it started with the 1 and incremented into n. So this for loop is responsible for the number of lines. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just add the spaces. You can see here in this pattern that this is a triangular shape. So and in this region and in this region there are spaces between them, right? In the first loop there are spaces between them like this. So in order to make these kind of spaces, I'm just adding here a space and multiply by n minus I like this, and in the end I'm just adding another space, and this space is added in the starting point like this. In all of these regions, this space will be added like this. And in the second term I have to implement another loop, and in this loop what I'm going to do here, so what I've done in this loop, that I'm starting it with the 1 and I'm just terminating it by multiplying the I with 2. So this loop is completely dependent on the first loop, which is responsible for the number of lines. So what it will gonna do, it will just gonna print the required string, that is the star, and in the end I'm just putting this end function. So loop will gonna print the star according to the number of lines, and in order to change the line I'm just adding another print right here. So this is the basic structure of the whole loop. So let's run this. So here I am writing the number of lines like 8. So you can see as I've written the 8, so it has just printed this triangle in this shape, like in the first line 1, in the second line 3, in the fourth line this, and so on. And in the last line I hope it is printing this 16 times right there, because I have incremented this for loop till the I multiply by 2. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.